Ready for a little brain workout? This question is very likely to be asked in every Zoho first round. A bag contains 3 white, 4 red, and 5 blue balls. 3 balls are drawn at random from the bag. The probability that all of them are blue is... I'll give you 5 seconds to pause the video and think it through. All right, let's break it down together. So in total, we have 3 white, 4 red, and 5 blue balls. Let's do some quick math. Adding them up gives us a total of 12 balls in the bag. Now let's calculate the total possible outcomes when drawing 3 balls from these 12. We use combinations here, folks. So, it's C12 3. C12 3 equals 12 factorial, 3 factorial. 12 minus 3 factorial equals 220, which gives us 220 possible ways to draw any 3 balls out of this bag. But we're only interested in drawing all blue balls, right? So how many ways can we pick 3 blue balls from the 5 we have? C of 5, 3 equals 5 factorial, 3 factorial. 5 minus 3 factorial equals 10. There are just 10 ways to pull out 3 blue balls from those 5. Finally, we're at the last part, calculating the probability. The probability that all 3 balls drawn are blue is simply the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total outcomes, equals 10 divided by 220. And if you simplify that, you get 1 out of 22. So, there you have it. The probability that all 3 balls are blue is 1 out of 22. Bet you're feeling like a math pro now, huh? See you in the next puzzle.